Lucky Dube was one of Africa's most inspiring music voices. Born in South Africa in 1964, he grew up facing many challenges, but music became his path forward. He started with different styles, but everything changed when he discovered reggae, a sound that carried messages of hope, unity, and truth. From that moment, he dedicated his music to spreading powerful messages of peace and togetherness. Songs like "Prisoner" and "Different Colors, One People" made him loved across Africa and around the world. In 2007, the world was deeply saddened by the news of his passing in Johannesburg, but even today, his voice is not gone. His music continues to inspire millions and keeps his message alive. Lucky Dube, the voice of freedom. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to the History Plug for more amazing history, biographies, and untold stories from Africa and around the world. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video.